Hey, it's Ronnie from the Good Hair Company, and thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. And you guys, today, as you see in the title, we are making ginger and clove oil. You guys, I've heard so many great things, all the rave about ginger and clove. And you guys, I tested some clove oil over the summer on my temple, and I mixed it with the rice and flax nourishing oil. I got some good results, so I couldn't wait to try this out with the ginger. And I finally got my hands on everything that I needed and the time to sit down and do it. So with that being said, let's get to it. So the first thing you see me doing is skinning the ginger. And I just use my knife and I scrape the skin off. You could use a potato peeler. I rinsed it off and then I cut up my ginger into small pieces. So the piece of ginger that I had cut up came to be about 5 tablespoons, and then I added 3 tablespoons of cloves, and then I just covered that with grapeseed oil. Then I'm going to blend that, and I blend it for about 15 seconds until it's, very well blended. You want to break up those cloves and break down the ginger all the way, and see the consistency of it. Now I'm going to just add that to my pan, and my pan is already preheating, so I'm just going to go ahead and add this to a hot pan just to get this process going. And as you see in the video, I did add more grapeseed oil. I think I added honestly, I free poured it. So I ended up with about 8 ounces. I probably added about 8 or 9 ounces of oil to the pan. And you see I add a little oil and then I stir it up, and when I stir it, I'm just mashing down on the mixture with the back of the spoon just to kind of like squeeze out some of the goodness of it. And I let this simmer for a good 30 to 35 minutes maybe. I just let it simmer until it's nice and brown. You guys, the kitchen smelled so good while making this. It was so delicious. I mean, it smelled delicious. So yeah, you just let it simmer. This is what it's looking like, and I again, you hear me say simmer. It's on low heat. It is on low heat, and I let it cook for a good. I let it simmer for a good 30 minutes. And you see the consistency now, like you see it now, is more broken down. So after it cooled off, I went ahead and poured it in my jar, and I used the organza bag because that's what I had in hand. And that's it. It needed to be strained a little better, but that's it. Thanks guys. Thank you so much for watching.